Welcome to DJ and TV.
My people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJ and TV. PDP for Kogi State don finally flag off their governorship campaign. My people, not be small thing this event. The flag off campaign for PDP was really interesting. A lot of PDP chieftains they present to support their own, the governorship candidate of PDP, wey they call Dino Melai. Even the dancing governor, the governor of Osun State, Ademola Adeleke, were all there present to support. People not be smart thing because this their flag off campaign interesting, coupled with the dance display where they show yesterday. Anyway, my people, I go play on this video now. Mona watch, Mona see all wetin they talk and how the whole event take go for Okene yesterday for Kogi State. Make una watch and make una don't forget to like and share. Watch the video.
It's the official flag off of the governorship campaign of the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, in Kogi State. The governorship candidate is excitedly received by the party supporters. On the podium, party leaders make a case for the election of Mr. Dino Melai as the next governor of Kogi State.
As our slogan is called Imole. Imole means light. I have brought light to Kogi, and when light comes, darkness vanishes. Kogi will see a new dawn. Come November 11, I want you all, don't be afraid, don't be scared. This is democracy. Nobody's going to hurt you. Everybody should go and vote and stay with your vote. So I want to appeal to all our elders in PDP. Some who are here, some who are not here. Whatever Dino might have done for you, for the love of people of Kogi, let us forgive Dino and let us go and vote to and support Dino.
The candidate then receives the party's flag from the acting national chairman. Having received the party's mandate, Senator Melai unveils his plans for Kogi State.
I am going to be a governor with the fear of God. If you have the fear of God, you will not pay percentage salary. If you have the fear of God, you will not kill. If you have the fear of God, you will not steal. If you have the fear of God, you will not be happy when you are driving on bad roads. We are going to make sure that we bring in a new order in Kogi State.
I urge you all to come out 11/11/2023 to vote Senator Dino Melai, and by the special grace of God, we will not disappoint you.
The candidate urged his supporters to mobilize support in all the local government areas in the state for the victory of the PDP in the November elections.
Don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ and TV.
Some of the delegates are asked the question. DJ